Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure deposit and rent payment plans with Cozy detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure deposit and rent payment plans with Cozy, first, log in to your Cozy account. Navigate to the Rent Collections section on your dashboard. Click on Settings to access your payment preferences. Select Payment Plans to begin configuring your deposit and rent options. In the Payment Plans section, you will see options for both rent and deposit configuration. For the deposit plan, specify the total deposit amount required for the rental property. Next, choose the frequency of the deposit payment, such as weekly or monthly. Enter the duration over which the deposit will be paid. For the rent payment plan, set the total rent amount due for the specified rental period. Decide on the frequency of the rent payments, such as monthly or bi-weekly. You can also specify the due date for each rent payment. Ensure that the start date for the rent payments aligns with the lease agreement. If applicable, include any applicable late fees or grace periods for the rent payments. Review all details carefully to ensure accuracy. Once you are satisfied with the payment configurations, click Save Changes. Your deposit and rent payment plans are now set up and ready for use. Communicate these plans to your tenants to ensure they understand their payment obligations. Monitor the payment plans regularly to address any issues that may arise. With these steps, you can effectively manage and configure deposit and rent payment plans using Cozy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.